It's gonna be a sad few months, no motorcycle. I'm just trying to burn the fuel left on the tank so I can put it away. But yeah, boys and girls, I'm gonna be headed off to Hawaii later today in about 45 minutes. I just decided I need to come out here, you know, I need to clear a little bit more of the fuel before I put my bike away, put on its stand, and then I won't see this bike for about 5 to 6 months. Maybe I'll come in between, I'll ride here and there, but like for the most part, this bike is going into hibernation mode. I'm gonna rent a bike in Hawaii here and there, so we'll see what happens there.